Welcome to Kumartini Korner, your home for DIY cocktails. Please remember to like this video, try out the cocktail, subscribe to the channel for regular content. Speaking of content, let me share a story with you. A friend of mine was having a landmark birthday. So I gave some thought to the flavors that my friend would like. And based on that, I created a drink.
From Kumartini Korner, called as Deepa Darling, dedicated to my 50th birthday.
First start with a mango tequila. The one I use is the Patron Citronge. It's a mango liqueur. So pour an ounce of that in your highball glass. After that, I've added some ice. I filled it up with ice with some blueberries around it. And now we're gonna add about an ounce of Blue Curaçao to give that lovely blue color. And add a little bit of club soda. So what I did, I've taken about an ounce and a half of club soda. But not the least, top it off with some rum. Now today I have the oldmonk darkrum. You could also choose Centenario, one of my favorite golden rums. So either of them, depending what is your taste. I know Deepa's taste is more on the oldmonk, so I'm gonna add that. Pour a little bit gently on top. We can see the different colors. And let's squeeze some fresh lime as well. Stick in the straw, and Deepa Darling is ready. So let's take a look and see what Deepa is up to.
Taste it. Oh my god, this is too good. I'm gonna finish it now.
While Deepa is finishing her drink, I'd like all my viewers to try this out as well. And please do let me know your comments. I'd love to hear from you. Meanwhile, let's see what Deepa has to say about this.
Awesome. Thank you, Kumartini, for this wonderful drink. Deepa Darling, I love it.